In this video, I'll show you how to download Tekken 8 on your PC. First, open the Steam app and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, use the search bar at the top of the Steam window and type Tekken 8. Select Tekken 8 from the search results to open its store page. If you want to try the game before purchasing it, look for the Tekken 8 demo on the store page. If it's available, click Download to install the demo for free. The demo lets you experience a portion of the game and try out some of its features before deciding whether to buy the full version. If you'd like to access the complete game, click Add to Cart or Purchase, then choose the edition you want. You can select the Standard, Deluxe, or Ultimate edition, depending on the additional content you'd like to receive. After completing your purchase, or after downloading the demo, go to your library, select Tekken 8, and click Install. Once the installation is complete, launch the game and start playing. And that's how you can download Tekken 8 on your PC.